I'm going to use the LCO method. So I just washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair. I always use water. I've got low porosity hair, so I always make sure that whenever I apply a product on, my hair is wet. So I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner. I will never get used to the smell of this stuff. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. So I'm going to use the Curl Activator Cream. It smells so good. So now I'm going to use the oil just to lock in all of that. And then let's not forget about the scalp. Okay, so now I'm going to do this side. I think I'm just going to go to jump just like this. I'm just going to tie it up and go to jump as is because I don't want my hair to get tangled.
A few moments later.
I'm going to put some oil on my hands just to reduce the frizz. And I'm just going to loosen this. The longer you keep it in the twist, the more defined your curls will be, but we don't have time. Okay, so this is the final look.